The Phoenix Effect, rising from the ashes of failure. Failure is an inevitable part of every entrepreneurial journey, but what separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest is their ability to transform setbacks into new beginnings. This concept, known as the Phoenix Effect, draws from the powerful metaphor of the phoenix, a mythical bird that bursts into flames only to be reborn stronger from its own ashes. Why embrace the Phoenix Effect? In business, failure can feel like the end. A failed product launch, lost funding, or a collapsing venture can seem catastrophic. But just as the phoenix is reborn, failure can be the very thing that fuels your next success. It's not about erasing mistakes, but about using them as a foundation for something greater. Each failure teaches a lesson. Each misstep offers a chance to identify weaknesses and build resilience. The key is to shift your mindset. View failure as feedback, not defeat. Steps to rise like a phoenix. Acknowledge the fall. Don't ignore or brush off failures. Acknowledge them, understand what went wrong, and take full ownership. Acceptance is the first step to rebuilding. Extract the lessons. Every setback has a lesson embedded within it. Ask yourself what didn't work, what assumptions were flawed. Write down the key takeaways and reflect on them. The goal is to learn, adapt, and implement those learnings in your next venture. Rebuild with a stronger foundation. Just as a phoenix emerges stronger, your comeback should be built on the lessons from your fall. Create a plan that addresses previous weaknesses and sets you up to tackle similar challenges in the future. Develop a resilient mindset. Success is never a straight path. A resilient mindset is what keeps you pushing forward, even when everything seems against you. Train yourself to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Set new goals. Once you're ready to rise, set clear, actionable goals. They don't need to be massive. Small wins will help rebuild your confidence. With each step, you're not just recovering, you're evolving. Real-world Phoenix stories. Many well-known entrepreneurs have experienced their own Phoenix moment. Consider Steve Jobs, who was fired from Apple, only to come back and lead the company to unprecedented success. Or Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, who faced countless rejections before turning her idea into a billion-dollar brand. These stories remind us that failure isn't final. It's a step in the journey, a chance to pivot, and a necessary part of reaching greater heights. Embrace your Phoenix moment. The road to success is paved with setbacks, detours, and restarts, but the Phoenix Effect shows that failure can be the fire that refines and strengthens you. It's not about avoiding the flames, it's about how you rise from them. So the next time you face a major setback, remember, the ashes aren't your end. They're the beginning of your most powerful comeback. Burn, rebuild, and rise.